till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attacked.
Welcome guys on this beautiful Sunday morning in Newport Richey. I'm the Dream Master and this is Android Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to go over sending a text message. If you see these icons at the bottom, and hopefully I believe everyone should have similar looking ones, but you want to look for the icon that looks like a message bubble, and you want to go ahead and click that. That one's the one, the center, in the center. And essentially if you want to go ahead and send out a new text message, you will go ahead, and everyone's icons aren't going to look the same, but the general location should be. You're going to go ahead and hit that green arrow, and then this is going to come up with your recipient goes at the top, and then you'll put your text at the bottom. But so let's go ahead and pick a recipient. It can be any random number. I hope these people don't get random text messages, but it is what it is. But let's say 727 or 72. Yeah, sorry about that. 727-610-315 or 54. And that would be your recipient. If you have your grandkids, granddaughter, grandson, cousins, nephew, if you have their phone number or whatnot, that'd be the field that you want to put it in. And if you need to reference back to how to add a contact, or how to add a contact video, and then you'll be able to have preset people in there, so then you'll be able to
Got the mojo deals, we been tripping like the 80s. Pulling out the coupe at the lot.